Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syifa Soleha, NIM 2304-2017. I will presentation about circular economy with waste recycling. A closing develop a framework from affecting single-use of plastic waste in the food and beverage industry through circular economy review. I will describe about circular economy. Circular economy is intensive and cuteness of plastic use has led to millions of tons of plastic waste globally, resulting in public health risks and environmental challenges related to climate change, biodiversity loss, and pollution. The circular economy offers an alternative to the linear economy by retaining resources and maximizing recovery and regeneration. However, implementing a circular economy principle remains a challenge due to the dominant linear production model. This paper examines the environmental impact of usual plastic and potential of a circular economy approach. It aims to 1. Present an overview of the challenges faced by single-use plastic, and 2. Identify strategies and technologies for plastic waste recycling and reuse across all system. Next, a single-use plastic waste challenge and impact. In spite of its first advantages, first packaging has a range of negative impact. The food sector in Earth's use of single-use packaging consuming up to 35% of global packaging production. Approximately 94% of what a packaging goes to waste after a single use. In 2022, the global plastic packaging market was valued at $294.2 billion. This market forecast to rise to about 395.5 billion by 2028. Registration upon a kernel growth rate CAGR of 66.1% during the forecast period from 2023 to 2028. The manufacture of complication and the management of single food packaging from the food and beverage industry pose a number of health and environmental threats. Impact of single-use plastic arm. A report by Nitsube et al. Referred a project raised in the ration of municipal solid waste regeneration from 2.4 billion tons in 2080 up to 2.6 by 2025, with a single-use plastic forming a considerable fraction of this municipal waste. In the environment, this disposed plastic packaging may choke and clog the drain system, creating and enabling breeding growth for mosquitoes and other disease-causing organisms and ultimately finding their way into the food value chain. Landfill and marine has been referred as the ultimate fight for plastic relation into the environment. In marine environments, plastic waste account for 60 to 90 of the marine disruption and intended negative effect of aquatic ecosystem. Human health implication of single plastic. Consumption of both contaminants with microplastic cause a detrimental impact on human health due to toxicity and bioaccumulation of chemical uptake during production operation from the environment finally enter human bodies through the food chain. Report the comfort and the expiry of one to research SOP and inter chance. Report the consent, use, and export of human to SUP and its ingredients hence be like to causing a crowdflow in desire liver abnormal meats. A chronic discretion Arsemination as in adult due to hair accumulation in body tissue. In a real study, Jiang et al. Revealed the presence of the microplastic in human stool sample, which also indicates the human export rates and will be contaminated on plastic waste in the food and beverage and the environment. Circular economy connection and benefit. According to Ellen MacArthur, a system of CE is one where material never go to waste, and the environment is constantly renewed. Objects and materials are kept in circulation by using upkeep, reuse, renovation, remanufacturing, recycling, and computation and composting. Planter and Perner post that resource utilization in is ancient in circular economy by reduction the total of natural resource, optimizing the greatest amount of evidence and takes half the lifespans of material component and products, maximizing the environmental, social, material, and economic benefit. Advantages of transition to circular economy model. By changing our economy from linear to circular world prosper, emphasis on regeneration rather than extraction. Thereby, we create natural capital instead of perpetually destroying the environment. Human employ agricultural techniques enable nature to restore soils, both of biodiversity and recycle biological material into the ground. Currently, most of this material are lost after use, and the soil ultimately to cultivate thus become nutrition and depletion. The food business is the most logical starting point for transition and converting to sustainable circular economy. Current food production practices have a big impact on declining biodiversity and worldwide warming. It's a dependent upon growing amount of the artificial pesticides, fossil fuel, fresh water, and other limited resources, and thus have a negative impact on ecosystem, human health, and the environment. Closed-loop impact a system by component and implementation. For closed-loop a system, for example, participation of all stakeholders, including waste process, source, formal and informal recycler, waste regeneration, households, industry and agriculture, and government institutions, regulator, waste managers and urban planners, is necessary to achieve sustainability in waste management. Um, Organization and their primary and secondary stakeholders benefit from closed-loop supply chain (CLCC) activities because they increase opportunity and reduce risk. A product design, customer service, and closed-loop business model are examples of strategic success factors that change CLSC progress and add a value. By influencing the strategic success factor, stakeholder relationship, and intra and interorganizational information sharing strengthen value share. A government polish and regular promotion closed loop a country. Also, based on a review analysis of 45 different articles by Knobloch and Medorens, it reflects that most of the last government action across the global focus on single-use plastic (SUP), with priority to keep plastic within a circular economy. For instance, a country such as Benin in Africa developed national ban on the production, importation, processing, and use of non-biodegradable plastic. 2090 2080, Oman and a country in Asia in 2080 also banned the use of plastic in it is a totally. However, while most was legislation around the world remains theoretical, in 2017, China launching the National Sword Policy WTO 2070, resulting in dramatic increase in the global waste turnover. China accounts for approximately 45% of the importation of waste regeneration across the global. Next, strategies and technologies for plastic waste recycling. Sorry, and research. Medical recycling is the process by which a plastic waste are converted into the secondary raw material or product without any significant change in the material's chemical structure. This is the most commonly used method for plastic waste recycling due to its relative simplicity and cost-effectiveness. In the process, plastic waste is collected, sorted, cleaned to remove contamination and discharged. Plastic waste to energy conversion technologies such as waste to fall or waste to sink gas operations, over a dual benefit of waste reduction and energy recovery. Plastic waste can be recovered to gas fuel thought as a method called gasification. Through this process, plastic waste is converted into value resource that can be used for electricity regeneration or hair purposes. An essential aspect of addressing plastic waste is incorporating circular principles and design for recycling strategies into the product design manufacture process. Design for recycling involves considering the end of life of the product during their design phase. By using usually reusable materials and minimizing complex, mixed, or hard to recycle combination, manufacturers can facilitate the recycling process and promote the circularity. Circular economy approach aims to create closed-loop system where product and material and continuous reuse, repaired and recycled, minimizing waste, regeneration, and reduction the need for waste material. Next, example of circular economy participation in the food and beverage industry. This initiative and led by stagers who seek to promote circularity and sustainability in order to achieve a global goal related to sustainable production and consumption. Several manufacturers, including Coca-Cola, acquired GR Paper, Mondelez, as Nestlé, and PepsiCo have set a target of making 200, 100 of their packaging reusable by 2030. In 2023, the Coca-Cola Company reframed its industrial leading goal of signification both in the use of rational packaging through traditional fashion or Coca-Cola freestyle dispense. Next, case study highlighting success closed-loop control system. 1. Denmark return system. Dance Retro System, a non-profit company established in 2002, runs the design deposit system is approach one of the world's best deposit and return system, a collection, counting, sorting, and separating bottle and can for recycling. Denmark sees over 5 million bottles and cans returned through reverse vending machine every day. And the return system bots in the Hague return of 92 in Europe. And 2. Sweden's bottle recycling scheme. Sweden's bottle recycling schemes, Sweden's Pantamera deposit return schemes in one of numerous similar Sweden bottle recycling schemes. Sweden bottle recycling schemes. Sweden's Pantamera deposit return scheme is one of numerous similar activities across the world. With over 3 decades of existence, these initiatives have one of the highest recycling rates. In 2016 alone, Sweden recycled 84.6 of these aluminum cans and PET bottles through the pint system, amounting to a total of 1.6 billion cans and bottles, or an average of 177% in just 1 year. 3. A complex system. Accoplastim is an Italian-based waste management private company. Its generation now 100 recyclable material from beavers and food containers, commonly known as tree traps by implementation, technology development, and sustainability process to achieve the end of waste of polycarbonation. 4. MIWA, minimum waste. Minimum waste system is a Czech Republic-based private entity that champions waste reduction through innovation, design, technology, and behavior change. It operates on the principle that waste-free scoping should be embraced by consumers. According to a recent report, minimum waste can reduce the overall negative environmental impact by 1 to 71 compared to normal distribution of food in disposable packaging. Next. Exists a challenge to implement closed-loop control system. Traditional techniques to the design of plastic for the food and beverage industry are not switched for use, recycle, recovery, and remanufacture. Innovation should be a combination during the design stage of this plastic packaging material to ensure that features that enable implementation of closed-loop control and uses in this stage. Opportunity for improvement of innovation. 1. A packaging design. A packaging design innovative, biodegradable, and renewable packaging design drifting from linearity to circularity and facilitating instance lifespans, recycle, and remanufacture should be the focal point of the packaging designer in order to close the loop. 2. Energy generation from plastic waste. Environmental friendly energy for fuel production can be regeneration, environmentally friendly energy for fuel production can be generated through processing of recovered plastic waste. This presents an opportunity to reduce landfilling and support a circular economy. And 3. Use of advertising to shape consumer behavior. Consumers play a critical role in the transition from a linear to a circular economy. 3. First, awareness must be created using mainstream and social media to bring about message change and demonstrate the sorting of plastic waste for reusing, recycling, and remanufacturing. Stakeholder in involvement and collaboration. This is about whether in the upstream encompassing precursor activities such as material reduction, plastic reduction, and substitution are in the downstream. Post-consumer phase involving mechanical and chemical recycling solutions that will weaken the effects of closed-loop system and foster sustainable practice in the management and utilization of plastic. Next. Future direction for research and development. Future research and development opportunities of FACI facilitates the implementation of closed loop. Opportunity to facilitate implementation of the closed loop control system include 2. Aligning the Internet of Things (IoT) with the circular economy for SAM's data collection, inventory management, and traceability of plastic packaging throughout the supply chain during their lifespans. Plastic packaging material regenerating by transition from petrochemical-based material to bio-based material and reduction plastic packaging. The last I'm described about recommendation about circular economy. 1. Strengthen regulation. A government worldwide should implement stringent regulation on the product and consumption of single-use plastic, setting clear reduction targets as well as incentive and for alternative packaging solutions. 2. Industry collaboration. This is about change first and be first. P&B sector are major products of sustainable packaging waste. The short actively collaborates with recyclers, technology provides, and environmentalists in developing and implementing sustainable packaging. 3. Research and development. Prioritizing investments in research and development to create sustainable alternatives to plastic that are environmentally friendly with improving recycling technologies should be prioritized. And 4. Public assurance campaign. Consistent efforts should be undertaken to raise a public awareness of the detrimental impact of plastic pollution and the effects of circular economy in order to shift consumers' choice toward more eco-friendly options. Such a company can contribute towards creating a shift towards sustainable consumer habits. For promotion biodegradable solution. Promotion biological solution can reduce landfill pressure while helping protect the environment. 6. Extend producer responsibility (EPR). EPR initiatives should become more widespread, making manufacturers responsible for managing the end of life of their product. The approach contributes to design with recycling and reusability in win-win creating a design. 7. Waste management infrastructure. Waste management infrastructure about when development context lacks sufficient waste management infrastructure, technical and financial support should be made available in order to build efficient processing facility. Oke, sekian dari saya. Saya ucapkan Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.